here with my beautiful little girls. We are going to talk about the new AT&T TV. I've been using it for about a month now. You can see from the last time I did the setup. Basically, I'm gonna tell my opinion about it. I'm gonna probably shoot some stuff of what the platform look like. Basically, this box is basically a AT&T pretty much Android TV box. So it's basically an Android TV box, but it's actually integrated with AT&T services on it. You could get Android apps. You can play games on it. You also could look up your shows. Actually, you could use Google Assistants. So when you see that Google Assistant part commercial when they have LeBron, Missy Elliott, and a few other people, artists on there, you will see that on there because you can use Google Assistant. You can pretty much tell them the weather. You actually get pretty much tell them what movie you want to watch, and it goes directly to there. Now, I'm gonna leave a link to the AT&T thing shop so you can see if you be eligible for that your area to get which channels and which you could get. So it's basically DirecTV, but in a streaming base wise, which is actually pretty awesome. What I like on it is a streaming platform on it. You have up to 4 options in my location, which you could get in the channels. You got entertainment, choice, extreme, and ultimate. Those ones cost in different tiers. And one thing you do pay is a 1 additional fee, and that's sport regional fee, $8.50 or whatever the price is in your area. I don't know if it's different in any different area, but I know here where I'm at is price difference. Basically, the breakdown of it is it's a pretty awesome TV. I don't have dish internet or anything else like that. I have Comcast internet, so you do want to have at least 25 megabytes or higher to run this service. I feel like if you have dish and you want to multitask on things and not have that satellite dish on top of your your house or on the top of your anything there, I would say this would be the best bet for you because the box only costs $120. Hey, the box costs $120 for it. I think that's what tax. I'm not for sure, but it's only $120. Excuse me, my little ones talking, but it's only $120 for it. And also, when you first start up, your first one is free. But you can always pay that off if you want to, or if you cancel service, you got to give that free one back, or you can pay cash for it. But the service that I have, if you have AT&T mobile service, you actually get a huge discount on it. So the reason why I went for the extremes, because that extreme usually costs $64.99, but I only paid $54.99. But with the sport regional fee, taxes $61. So normal price of it is $64.99 if you're not an AT&T subscriber. But choice is $54.99. Extreme entertainment is basically $49.99. But if you have AT&T service, it'd be $39.99. So you'd be paying close to up to $50 a month just having internet service. And I'm gonna leave a link down there. I know I said that before, but I'm gonna leave a link down there. Excuse my daughter. To show you everything about it. Actually, they actually have other platforms too where you get the Plus and Max, but those ones cost more expensive. Those ones are $110 for the Plus and $130 for the Max. So you just calculate your internet. Your internet service with that. So if you pay between $80 and something that on the internet service, you would definitely get that. You would definitely get that service, but having this AT&T TV, one thing I could say is actually pretty awesome. Navigation is pretty awesome. The only downfall on it is the lag time. Sometimes you get a lag on there. What I normally do is like a computer, unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, bam, you back to just running. I mainly run mine 24 hours a day, so that's probably why I have a little bit of lag time with it. But excuse me, my daughter trying to make her way in here. But come on, mama, just get in here. But one thing I want to tell you guys, I'm gonna leave some parts up here of, you know, some of the channels going and while I'm talking. Come on, girl. Come on. Get up here. Put your feet in there so you won't get stuck. But my little ones be having their channel up soon this week, so stay tuned for their channel. They love the game. They do a lot of awesome stuff. So family channel, y'all want to see me with a family channel, hit that like button down the bottom and then say hashtag family channel. I definitely want to do one of those, but I actually wanted to get more into my tech and cars and stuff like that. But one thing I wanted to tell you guys, I want to say thank you because I hit 955 subscribers the day of this thing. We are almost reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I wanted to say at the end of this video where I'm at now is I reach 1,000 subscribers and get at least 20 to 30 likes here. Come on, Mama, stop. 20 to 30 likes. I will be giving someone a free month of AT&T service where I'm pretty much going to give you a gift card to pay for your first month. When you, after your service, you're going to have a first month fee. I will be giving a gift card to any one of these people to get that. I don't have no partnership with AT&T. I wish I did. That'd be awesome. But one thing I can say is this TV, you know, stop. I must put it down. This TV is actually pretty awesome. It's actually a pretty awesome service. I actually like it, and I was thinking about going back to my Comcast, just straight cable phone and internet, but I actually love just having the internet and I love this streaming services. Because I roughly don't pay a lot just for it. It's a reasonable price, and it actually is a good combination, and I can watch anything I want to watch and talk to it. Now, I am going to be doing a comparison between Xfinity Streambox, between this Streambox. And one good thing about this, you can have this Streambox and actually set it up at your family's house, and pretty much you can take this box anywhere you want. As long as you got internet access, you already logged into it, you can just basically watch all your shows right there. And that's one thing I do like about that. That's pretty awesome. So, like, say if you got the internet service, stream service, and you was like, I got kicked out of my house. You basically, my girlfriend kicked me out of my house. You can basically just take that and put it to your family member's house or wherever you're going to, and stand and you can watch your TV on the go. But you guys, thank you for hitting me 150. So the guys are loyal, but the people was new. My name is ICH3 Tech. I got my two beautiful girls here. She's playing in the background. So like I said before, excuse me. I do tech, cars, and also anything reviews is just basically my hobbies, anything I like to do. So I'm talking about this AT&T TV because I think it was a good platform for them to make. And like I said before, excuse my little ones, they are being goofy. But let me know, you guys, do you like this new 4K look? And I actually might be doing a setup, how I got this 4K setup, and how much did I pay for this setup. And if you want to see that, leave a like below. But not to stretch this out too far, thank you for watching. Like, sub, and like I said, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and when we go more, we're going to do great services. And I am going to have a link below to support the channel. So it's Cash App or whatever. It's going to support the channel. You guys, you girls, stop. See, that's the reason why I want to make a family channel, to show you how these two fight. But guys, if you have any kids or you plan on having two girls at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.